Fullerton India Credit Company Limited acknowledges the need for enhancing the lives of cattle-reliant farmers. Being India's leading non-banking financial companies spread across 22 states, reaching out to over 600 towns and 42,000 villages, it is one of India's leading NBFCs with an AUM of over Rs 10,000 crores. Among a host of CSR initiatives, the Pashu Vikas Day was launched in the presence of international cricket star Irfan Pathan. The story continues, as does the immeasurable track record of the Pashu Vikas Day camps, a large-scale initiative by Fullerton India, spanning its 190 branches across 9 states. For farmers across India, battling its glaring adversaries for cattle upkeep. The need for adequate shelter, sufficient nutritive needs, the resources for the upkeep, and the failing health of their cattle. Their livelihood takes a distressing hit, looking for ways to cope with the diseases that their cattle are riddled with. The answers to their challenges converge at one place, the Pashu Vikas Day.
We are organizing Pashu Vikas Day for the first time in urban branches. And I would like to make it clear that it's not only our customers, we do it for everybody in the branches where we are present. So whether they are our customers or not, so everybody gets a huge benefit of this activity. I think this is becoming a big trend in Fullerton India, where employees look forward to the Pashu Vikas Day, whether it is urban or rural now.
Ranhai Kala, a quiet village in Harda, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Ramesh Chandra Chaudhary, a dairy farmer, has had many a sleepless nights. A buffalo in his herd, considered a member of the family, has a dysfunctional limb.
नींद नहीं आती जब कोई अपना परेशान हो। हम छोटे से गांव वालों का परिवार उनके पशुओं से बनता है, और जब उन्हें कोई परेशानी होती है तो हमें भी चैन नहीं पड़ता।
The buffalo struggles to even walk. Lately, even the milk yield has come to a halt. Without its daily feed of milk, the calf is deprived of its nutritional needs. The family's only source of income has taken a sudden, unforeseen hit. It is not just the health of the cattle, but the livelihood of Ramesh that is at stake.
मेरी भैंस कुछ महीनों से बीमार है, लंगड़ी चलती है, अकड़न आ गई है, इसका दूध पूरा खत्म हो गया है, और इसके दूध के ऊपर हमारे पूरे परिवार का खर्च निर्भर है।
While Ramesh contemplates his predicament with the ailing buffalo, all is not lost. A ray of hope is close at hand. The Fullerton India Pashu Vikas Day camp is shaping up. Fullerton India organizes these camps to provide know-how and inputs on cattle rearing, dairy farming, cattle care. And it isn't long before Ramesh finds out all about it.
मुझे यह पता लगा है कि फुलरटन इंडिया की तरफ से कैंप लगा है जिसमें जानवरों की निःशुल्क जांच होती है।
Ramesh is now determined to find treatment for his buffalo in pain. He sees a glimmer of hope in Fullerton India's cattle care camp.
जो कैंप लगेगा उसमें मैं पहले लेके जाऊंगा और डॉक्टर लोगों से इलाज करवाऊंगा।
To his pleasant surprise, it isn't just Ramesh, but many other farmers in the same boat that have made their way to the Pashu Vikas Day camp. More than assured of the help he is about to get, Ramesh is relieved to have a professional and experienced veterinarian look into what's troubling his buffalo.
आज ग्राम रनहाई कला में फुलरटन इंडिया के माध्यम से यहाँ पर पशु चिकित्सा निःशुल्क शिविर आयोजित किया गया है। अभी हमने बहुत सारे जानवर देखे जिनमें गोचड़ी, पिस्सू, पटार इत्यादि देखने को मिला और उसके लिए जो हमने यहाँ मैक्टिन, आइवरमेक्टिन जिसके अंदर दवाई है, उसका उपयोग किया, को डोज लगाया।
Ramesh can now look forward to the recovery. He can trust in the treatment as he already sees signs of improvement. Once the buffalo is back on his feet, Ramesh and his family can start to earn their income once again after his visit to the Pashu Vikas Day camp.
थोड़ी राहत मिली है, डॉक्टर ने दवाई दी है, अब आराम मिल जाना चाहिए जिससे मुझे भी आराम मिले। फुलटन इंडिया का मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि वो लोग हमारी मदद के लिए आगे आएँ। अब हर साल एक उम्मीद नज़र आएगी। फुलटन इंडिया आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
From a hopeful farmer in central India to a struggling one in the west, the trials of the agrarian population are vast. Ranjit is a resident of Kachai village in Kheda near Ahmedabad. Unlike others, he has been on an uphill climb to run his family. The earnings are far from sufficient.
मेरा नाम रणजीत भाई रत्ताभाई है। मैं कासे का रहवासी हूँ। पहला मैं खेती करता था, पर खेती में कશું મળતું નહોતું, કોઈ બચતું નહોતું, પૂરું ઘર ચલાતું નહોતું એમ।
With bleak prospects of income at hand, Ranjit will soon see an avenue for a better life. Messengers from Fullerton, India go from door to door, informing the village dwellers about community initiatives and financial aid for the purchase of more cattle growing enterprises and a range of other monetary needs.
આમાં નંબર લખેલા છે તો આમાં જોઈને તમે ફોન કરજો, બરાબર? ચાલો, નમસ્તે.
Convincing the anxious farmers isn't quite easy. But Fullerton India's employees are best known for their engagement in customer relations.
ગ્રુપ લોન કરે છે, પછી પર્સનલ લોન, તમારે પશુ લાવવા હોય, ગાયો ભેંસો, તો એના માટે બી અમે લોન આપીએ છીએ, બરાબર છે?
हम यहाँ पे 3 साल से लोन का कामकाज शुरू किए थे। उससे हम मीटिंग करके उसको समझाते हैं कि ऐसा आप लोन लो, ये पशु के लिए लोन है, वो लोन आप लोगे तो आपकी स्थिति में सुधार आएगा।
Ranjit is no longer on his own. He sees bright prospects in Fullerton India's financial services. Availing them, his life sees a positive turnaround. He will be empowered with resources for buying more cattle. With his savings, his farming will improve. And that's just a beginning.
રામ શક્તિમાંથી 4 ભેંસ કર્યા પછી મને આમ સારી આવક અને આમ પૈસાનો બચાવ રહ્યો, શાંતિ એમ પહેલાં કરતાં બદલાવ આવી ગયો બધો।
With more buffaloes in stock, Ranjit must now ensure that their health is up to par. For their milk produce and upkeep is now a crucial part of his family's income. To this end, the cattle care camps are an asset.
આજે ગ્રામ્ય શક્તિ તરફથી અમારા ગામમાં પ્રોગ્રામ કરવામાં આવ્યો, જેમાં પશુ સારવારનો કેમ્પ રાખવામાં આવેલો હતો। એટલે પશુ સારવારનો કેમ્પ સારી ભેંસોને એવું આવ્યું, લગભગ 200 થી 250 ભેંસોની સારવાર થઈ, એની દવા કરવામાં આવી ગ્રામ્ય શક્તિ તરફથી।
At the camp, doctors tend to his buffaloes, looking into possible illnesses and the overall health. With the right advice, precise information and free treatment, some of Ranjit's apprehensions have been put to rest.
आज जो पशु विकास दिन है, आज मेरा जो रोल है उसमें हम जानवर को वेतर की दवा करते हैं, उसको डिवर्मिंग करते हैं और जो जानवर वेतर में आते हैं लेकिन उसको रिपीट नहीं उसका हो रहा है, उसका हम ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं।
આજ ગ્રામ શક્તિ પશુ વિકાસ અહીં હતો, એટલે મારી ભેંસ ગાભણ હતી, એટલે હું તપાસ કરવા માટે લાયેલો, કે દવા બી કરાઈ और તપાસ બી હો ગઈ। પશુ વિકાસ દિવસ જે રાખ્યો છે એ અમારા માટે સારો છે અને સહયોગકારક છે, એટલે હું ખુશ છું।
Today, Fullerton India Gram Shakti has organized cattle care camp Pashu Vikas Divas at 18 different locations across Gujarat. Lots of villagers and cattle owners are bringing their cattle for treatment, and they look very happy and excited.
Another good turn from Pashu Vikas Day proves beneficial for this village near Ahmedabad for its farmers and their cattle alike. Coming up, a dairy farmer from a village in Maharashtra expands his potential with advice from Fullerton India. And down south in Tamil Nadu, a farmer overcomes his cattle's illness to increase his limited produce. Kolgaon in Niphad, Maharashtra. Ramesh Swaroop spends most of his day attending to the needs of his 2 cows. He feeds and bathes them from time to time. However, things aren't quite looking up as expected. The milk produce isn't nearly enough.
दिक्कत है जो छोटे में जो 2 गाय 20-25 लीटर दूध ऐसे कुछ मिलता ही नहीं था, उनके फूड पे खर्च हो जाता था।
आम्ही ग्राम शक्तीमधून आलेलो आहे। तुम्ही इथून पाठीमागे कधी लोन घेतलेलं आहे का?
It wasn't until he availed of financial services from Fullerton that he could afford more cows to add to the herd. Now, he could also purchase machinery to smoothen his dairy endeavor.
हमने पहले 2 गाय थी हमारे पास, उससे शुरुआत की। फुलरटन इंडिया से कुछ लोन लिया। गाय बढ़ने के बाद हमको दूध निकालने का मशीन की ज़रूरत थी, वो हमने फुलरटन ने हमें वो भी लोन दे दिया। फुलरटन इंडिया ने हमको बताया कि तुम गांव में दूध बेचोगे तो तुम क्या उनमें क्या निकालेंगे। वो बोले तुम यहाँ से शहर जाओ, वहाँ पे लोगों को दूध चाहिए अच्छा, तुम्हारे पास अच्छा दूध है तो तुम वहाँ पे जाके तुम्हारा दूध बेचो।
Now, with the right apparatus in hand, Ramesh has more milk to sell, more to earn.
1 महीने पहले नासिक शहर में गए, एक कैन 40 लीटर की लेके गए। वहाँ पे गए तो यहाँ लोग आते थे जाते थे, कोई दूध ही नहीं लेता था। पहले दिन तो हमारे यहाँ 10 लीटर ही नहीं गए। वो एक दिन एक कस्टमर बढ़ते बढ़ते अब हमने 3 स्टॉल लगाए वहाँ पे, और वहाँ से 200 लीटर दूध बेच रहा है हम।
The word is out. Fullerton India employees are leaving no stone unturned in reaching out to the villagers about the Pashu Vikas Day camps.
इस ईयर हम लोगों ने हमारा ऑलमोस्ट 190 प्लस ब्रांचेस हैं पूरे 8 स्टेट्स में, और ऑलमोस्ट 3000 अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं जो एक दिन पे सवेरे 8 से लेकर 12 के बीच में हम लोग इस बार कम से कम 30,000 हाउस होल्ड और 50,000 कैटल को हम लोग एक दिन पे ट्रीट करेंगे। हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत सी जगहों पे गवर्नमेंट डॉक्टर्स को लाते हैं, सो दे आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन दिस फील्ड। सो वो लोग पिछले कई सालों से इन एरियाज़ में काम करते हैं, तो उनको पता रहता है कि यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ के क्या सोल्यूशंस हैं। वो हिसाब से दिस ऑल्सो सर्व्स एज अ नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर दिस एंटायर कम्युनिटी।
More animals in the herd implies extra care for each one of them. To help Ramesh Swaroop closely monitor the health of his cows that his income depends upon, the Pashu Vikas Day camps are a boon. A timely checkup helps him and others assess, treat, and being better informed about the needs of their cattle.
The idea behind Fullerton India was to ensure that we are not only seen as a finance company. The idea is to kind of ensure that we provide a comprehensive set of solutions to ensure that the customers and the community as a large is moving ahead. So their progress is directly reflected in our progress.
On its trail towards a better life for farmers and the best health for their cattle, Fullerton India continues its presence in Tamil Nadu. where the need for such an initiative emerges just as strongly as any other part of the country. Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. As with any other Pashu Vikas Day camp, employees from Fullerton, India don their roles as informed messengers. Speaking to Sarpanch, head of the village, they assess the number of villagers that own cattle.
இதனால் மாடு முன்னே இருந்ததை விட கொஞ்சம் சுறுசுறுப்பாக மாடு இருக்குதுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி முகாம் இந்த புலூட்ரான் இந்தியா கிராம சக்தி கொஞ்சம் நடத்துறது கொஞ்சம் சிரமப்பட்டு தான் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க. அவங்களும் நிறைய டாக்டர் கூட்டிகிட்டு பல அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டு இந்த டென்ட் போடுறது பல அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க.
The next step is visiting these farmers from door to door, giving them a first-hand idea of what these camps entail for them and their cattle. They are ready to answer any queries and offer information that the curious farmers may need. One such farmer is Ramaswamy. For him, this visit could not have been better timed. A cow in his herd has not been well, and he has been at a loss for the best options for treatment.
இந்த மாடுங்களா? இந்த மாடு தான். சரி சரி சரி. இது வீக்கெண்ட் தான் இப்படி இருக்குங்களா?
நார்மலா இல்ல வீக்கெண்ட் தான்.
வீக்கெண்ட் ஃபுல்லா வீக்காது. ஆமா. சரி சரி சரி. நாளைக்கு கொண்டு வாங்க, சில கேம்ப் கொண்டு வாங்க, சில டாக்டர்ஸ் வருவாங்க. நீங்க மாட்டை அங்க கொண்டு வந்துருங்க, பக்கத்துல தான் கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. கொண்டு வந்து டாக்டர்ஸ் ட்ரீட்மென்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க அதுக்கு. அவங்க என்ன அது பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு மெடிசன் தருவாங்க. இல்ல இன்ஜெக்ஷன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். சரிங்க சார்? சரி வரேன் சார். சரி சரி.
The camp is set. Visitors are fairly quick to gather. Each farmer has specific health issues in their cattle to look into.
We do Pashu Vikas days with technical support from the veterinary doctors. And for the farmers, it is an event where they can bring their cattle and then get it treated by a very good doctor. And this actually helps in improving the health of the cattle and then improving the yield from those cattle. So they look forward to having such events. And from Fullerton, India, looking at the response of the villagers and farmers, we also look forward to having such grand events every year.
Ramaswamy finally had his chance to address his cow's illness head on. The cow isn't well enough to get to the camp. On his request, the veterinarian is quick to understand his situation. The veterinarian agrees to do a house call at Ramaswamy's. Ramaswamy waits with bated breath as the doctor analyzes the symptoms with utmost care before offering a diagnosis.
மாட்டை அங்கே கொண்டு போக முடியல, மாடு நடக்க மாட்டேங்குது, அதனால் கொண்டு போக முடியலைங்க. அதனால் அங்கே சொல்கிறதுனால அவையிலே பார்த்து எங்களுக்கு இங்கே எல்லாம் பார்த்து எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி மாட்டுக்கு ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எடுத்து மருந்து மாத்திரை கொடுத்து இந்த மாதிரி கட்டுத்தரையெல்லாம் சுத்தமாக வச்சுருக்கணும், மெடிசனுக்கு க்ளீன் பண்ணி சுத்தமாக வச்சுருக்கணும், சுகாதாரமாக வச்சுருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க.
அப்போ அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா விவசாயிகள் மாஸ்டைட்டிஸ் வராமல் எப்படி பாதுகாத்துக்கலாம் மாடுகளை அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுவும் ஹைஜீனிக் சரௌண்டிங்ஸை வச்சுக்கிட்டா தான். ஏன்னா மேக்ஸிமம் அன்ஹைஜீனிக் கண்டிஷன்ஸ்னால தான் அன்ஹைஜீனிக் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்னால தான் இந்த மாதிரி இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஆகுது.
Soon after, Ramaswamy can be rest assured that his cow is on the mend. He can rely on the recovery to resume his dairy business. Another successful case met with a successful solution at the Pashu Vikas Day. The Pashu Vikas Day initiative from Fullerton, India is just a cog in its wheel of expansive community service initiatives for all-round livelihood benefits. With an impact touching the lives of around 20,000 community households, the Pashu Vikas Day has not only met the immediate needs of farmers and the medical conditions of their cattle, but helped them grow, sustain, and enhance their little enterprises to life-changing experiences. Villagers across India have benefited from these specialized camps. 2,500 volunteers at work, and over 40,000 cattle treated across 190 branches in 250 villages. There is no doubt that this holistic attempt will only surge ahead in the years to come and lay more ground for a growing economy reliant on its land and unmistakably their cattle.